Well, if you've been thinking about buying a home in Colorado, first of all, call me. And second, there's something happening in the market right now that we honestly haven't seen in a few years, and I want to let you know about it. Buyers are finally starting to gain leverage. Now, before anybody panics, this does not mean that the Colorado housing market is crashing, but it does mean that the market is shifting because for the past several years, sellers have had almost all the power. Buyers were waiving inspections and many people felt pressured to make decisions immediately just to be able to compete. And let me tell you, that market was exhausting. But today, things look very different. Inventory across much of Colorado has been rising, which means that buyers have more options than they've had in a really long time. And when buyers have more choices, they're going to become a little bit more selective. We're now seeing homes sit on the market for longer. We're seeing a lot more price reductions and more sellers are offering concessions like closing costs or rate buy downs. Sellers, let me let you in on a little secret. Don't panic. Homes that are priced correctly and show really well are still selling. But homes that are overpriced, they're having a much harder time, y'all. Buyers know that they can negotiate now, and that's something buyers simply couldn't do a few years ago. However, on the flip side, affordability is still a challenge for a lot of people, and that's why buyers are moving a little bit more carefully right now. They're taking longer to make decisions because monthly payments matter to them more than ever. So what does this mean if you're thinking about buying in Colorado? Well, honestly, this may be one of the healthiest markets we've seen in years. So buyers have more inventory, more negotiating power, more time to think, and more opportunities to structure their deals creatively and things that work for them. And for sellers, it means strategy matters again. So that means pricing matters, presentation matters, marketing matters. The bottom line, Colorado is becoming more balanced. And while that shift can feel really uncomfortable if you've been watching the headlines, balanced markets are actually healthier for both buyers and sellers long term. If you're thinking about moving to Colorado this year or buying here this year, now is the time to understand the market, not to fear it. Reach out to us because so many opportunities still exist. They just might look a little bit different than they did a few years ago.